Kling 3.0 hasn't even launched yet, and it's already creating more hype than most AI video tools do after release. Creators are speculating, timelines are filling up with predictions, and expectations are honestly higher than anything we've seen from Kling before. So, in this video, I'm breaking down everything we know so far about Kling 3.0, what creators are expecting, and why this could be one of the most important AI video releases this year. Now, quick but important disclaimer before we go deeper. Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet, and full specifications haven't been confirmed.
And winter is coming. L'hiver arrive. Se acerca el invierno. Der Winter kommt.
Dòng tiền giàu lái le.
सर्दी आ रही है.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
Everything in this video is based on public signals, community discussions, and early expectations shared across blogs, social platforms, and creator forums. This is a pre-release breakdown designed to set expectations, not a final feature walkthrough. If you're new to Higgsfield, here's the quick context. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing GenAI companies right now, built around one core idea: making AI video creation genuinely creator-friendly. They already power several well-known models, including Kling, and with Kling 3.0, they're positioning themselves for what could be a major leap forward. So let's start with the biggest question. What exactly is Kling 3.0 expected to change? One of the most talked about upgrades is generation quality. While current AI video models can look impressive at a glance, they often fall apart when motion becomes complex, or when scenes need to stay consistent over time. Kling 3.0 is widely expected to deliver cleaner realism, smoother motion, and far stronger shot-to-shot coherence. The goal seems to be pushing outputs closer to something that actually feels production-ready instead of experimental. Another major theme is longer clip length. Kling 2.6 currently supports AI video generation up to around 10 seconds, which is fine for short demos, but limiting for real storytelling. Community discussions strongly suggest Kling 3.0 could extend clip length to roughly 15 seconds, while maintaining character and environment stability. That might not sound huge on paper, but in AI video, stable extra seconds make a massive difference. Resolution is another area where expectations are extremely high. A recurring idea across discussions is native 4K video output, potentially paired with higher frame rates like 60 frames per second. Moving beyond the current 1080p cap would immediately make Kling more viable for professional use cases, including ads, cinematic shots, and high-quality social content. Then there's something creators care deeply about but rarely talk about directly: physics and interactions. Anyone who's experimented with AI video knows how fragile hands, objects, and physical contact can be. One of the biggest hopes for Kling 3.0 is improved handling of these interactions. Fewer melted hands, cleaner object contact, more believable movement, and fewer visual glitches that break immersion instantly. Another exciting area is macro shots and fine detail. Close-ups are notoriously hard for AI video, but early signals suggest Kling 3.0 could bring sharper textures, cleaner facial details, and more realistic close-range visuals. That's especially important for creators working on cinematic storytelling or product-focused content. A lot of this ties into what Higgsfield has been hinting at with something called Omni. The Omni direction is all about creating a more unified workflow, better context, better continuity, and smarter decision-making across scenes. Instead of stitching together fragmented steps, Kling 3.0 is expected to feel more like a connected creation pipeline from start to finish. Creators are also watching closely for multi-shot customization. The idea here is generating sequences that actually feel like they belong together: consistent characters, consistent environments, and logical shot progression. If Kling 3.0 delivers strong multi-shot continuity, it could set a new benchmark for AI video tools across the industry. To understand why expectations are so high, it helps to compare Kling 3.0 to where Kling currently stands. Kling 2.6, the latest available version, supports AI video generation up to about 10 seconds with output capped at 1080p. It delivers strong visual realism and works well for short clips, visual experiments, and concept demos. However, motion consistency can break down in complex scenes, and workflows still require separate steps for generation and refinement, could drive widespread adoption very quickly. What makes this release different is timing. The AI video space is evolving fast, and expectations are rising just as quickly. Kling 3.0 isn't launching into a quiet market. It's entering an environment where creators are actively comparing tools, workflows, and output quality. That pressure could push Kling 3.0 to be one of the most polished releases yet. Right now, Kling 3.0 is officially marked as coming soon. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, I've added the official Higgsfield links in the description below, including where you can follow early signals, community discussions, and access updates. Whether Kling 3.0 ends up meeting all expectations or not, one thing is clear. This is one of the most anticipated AI video launches right now, and it's absolutely worth paying attention to. If you want to be ready the moment Kling 3.0 goes live, make sure to check the links below. This is one release you won't want to miss.